Hi, everybody. Anthony from Wall Street Trader. Okay, so quickly, I promised everybody a quick view on NuCypher, but I also want to make sure you all are understanding of where we could be going on the macro scale. So, NuCypher, real quick, we broke that long-term trend line, which was the red lines that you see, which creates the channel. It then broke through that, invalidated. We caught it early on. It was unfortunate, but now we know we're in this downtrend. Honestly, over the last couple of days, we thought it would stay roughly in the range. It still kind of is. It's at 42 cents, not 44 cents. But look, it could potentially even break this, depending on a bigger picture crypto move that may be imminent coming out of Big Mama Bitcoin. So I'm going to flip this straight over to that. And right now, if we look at Bitcoin, which is going to come up in a second here, what we're looking at here is danger. Now, if we look over in this area here, we can see that we are in the area of potential support and potential point of breakdown. I don't know which way this is going to go. Clearly, JP Morgan thinks that there's the possibility, and I want to stress possibility. They love to take both sides of the trade, but, they have to, like most of us, because you really don't know. I wouldn't say it's going to break down 50%. I think that's probably, if you're gonna come up with a number, come up with something slightly more realistic. But they came out with a possibility of it breaking down from its high 50%, which puts you to about 32,000, given its high was 60,000. Well, where we're at right now is 51 and change, and what I would strongly recommend is that we keep our eye exclusively in this area here, because this is the area here that makes up what will dictate what the rest of the crypto market will do. If you're in any other altcoin out there right now, you should be looking at only Bitcoin right this second, because this is where it has been properly bouncing or staying slightly north of that green support line. So I encourage everybody to make sure that they look at that support line and they respect it, because it is truly a trend line that a lot of folks are looking at. And if I was to look at the 1 year here, there are definitely areas where we would want to see, we'd probably feel comfortable in terms of outlining what the support might be. So there are a couple of support areas below. If it does drop below that support line, there's a couple of points that are there, which one of them is around the 46 range. And then the one below that, we get down to about the 41 range, 40 range. Okay, so it's like it wouldn't be 50%. Let's just say worst case, in my view, would be another 30% from 20% from here, and that would put us to about the 40,000 range. I don't see us falling further south than that. So as an investor, for me, I will be looking to dollar cost average down, once at 46 and another at 41.40 in that range. So, I encourage everyone to continue to monitor this. I will continue to put out my videos. Hit subscribe if you're not a subscriber, because I will be putting out a lot of videos throughout the day, so that you'll always get a much more real-time view of what's going on. And I'll keep you also apprised of any developments related to NuCypher, as well as the obvious technicals around that as well. But again, the bogey here is Bitcoin. I think every altcoin is really relying on Bitcoin to pull through in order for the rest of the market to stabilize. So, good luck with your investing. Talk soon.